Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Await Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement, especially during the lockdown period. So, is my voice audible to you all? Then please write yes in the comment box. Okay, good. So, before we start our live class, let me tell you how can you join in our live class. Okay, so it's very easy. You just have to subscribe to our YouTube channel Await Learning and press the bell icon to get more updates. If you have not subscribed yet, then quickly subscribe to our channel and inform to your friends and tell them to subscribe. Okay, so let's move on to the rules. The first one is you should have to answer the questions which is only asked. Okay, and that should be in the comment box or chat box, whatever you can say. Okay, so secondly, don't chat with each other. It is a bad habit that during the class you are chatting with each other, so don't do that. Okay, if you start chatting with each other, then you will face the problem while watching the video. And finally, it is a special request to all of you that you should make the note only after watching the video. Okay, so don't try to make any note while watching the video, otherwise you will miss the important thing, okay, which is very much useful to all of you. So see, here is a special opportunity for all of you that as recently we came to know that the national policy on education has been changed, and so many skills and so many extracurricular activities are added in the school curriculum. So Aveti Learning is also providing you spoken English class and coding class, and that is absolutely free. So now you can learn spoken English through Aveti Learning as well as the coding class also. Okay, so within a few days, you all are also capable of speaking fluent English without any hesitations. Okay, so here are some links for the registration for coding class and spoken English class, and they are the registration for coding class. The link is https colon double slash bit.li slash Aveti coding class. Then registration for spoken English class, the link is https colon double slash bit.ly slash Aveti spoken English. Okay, so quickly register your name and join in our spoken English class, which is absolutely free for all of you. So during this pandemic situation, during the changing situation, we are providing so many materials for all of you. Okay, so if you have not registered yet, then quickly register your name and ask your friends to register. Okay, so learn English just for free. So in our last class, we have started present perfect tense, right? Okay, so now this is a quiz session as usual. So you should have to choose the correct tense forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay, you have to remember the rules and you should have to find out the correct tense form of the verb, and that should be used properly. Ashish dash hard. The verb which is given in the bracket is work. Option A, work. Option B, is working. Option C, has worked. Option D, have worked. So you should have to find out the appropriate tense form of the verb which is given in the bracket. So just remember what we have learned in our last class related to that tense form. Just you have to put, okay, as we know that Ashish is third person singular number, so work is used. Work is agree with the verb which is in plural form or only after I. Then write down the correct answer quickly. Yes, option C is the right answer. Ashish has worked hard, and the reason is past action which are continued in the present time also. Okay, means the effect is also continuing, that we can see the result and we can imagine that Ashish has worked very hard. Okay, so in this case also present perfect tense is used to represent which time? The past time. Correct. So now let's move on to question number 2. The parrot dashed out of the cage just now. The verb given in the bracket is fly. Option A, fly. Option B, flies. Option C, has flown. Option D, flew. So what will be the right answer? Quickly write down in the comment box. Let me see who comes first. Oh my god. Simultaneously, all of you are writing so quickly that it is just very much difficult for me to find out anyone. Okay. So see, option A, fly. Fly, the verb which is agree with um, any kind of plural noun or only it is used after I. Okay. So the parrot, as we know that it is a third person or singular number. Then flies. Flies means it is in present simple tense. The thing which is used only to express the habitual action or any kind of fixed plan, any kind of present situation or permanent situation or official program like that. Then find out has flown means the work which is already done. Then flew, it is also related to the past, but you should have to focus that the parrot dash out of the case just now means recently, immediately the work is done. So in that case, which tense form of the verb should be used? Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the answer is option C, has flown. The parrot has flown out of the cage just now. And the reason is the completed activities in the immediate past, just before the work has done. So in that case, present perfect tense is used to express the recent past action. Okay, to express the past time. So now let's move on to the next question, question number 3, that is, we dash the roof. And the verb which is given in the bracket is repair. So, option A, repair. Option B, repairs. Option C, has repaired. Option D, have repaired. So, what is the right answer? C, option A is repair. And repair agree with the plural noun, but genuinely it is in present simple tense. Okay, simple present tense. And simple present, as we discussed before, that it is used in a habitual action. Okay, so we dash the roof, we repair the roof. Is it a habitual action? Do we regularly repair the roof? Then repairs. Repairs agree with the singular verb, singular noun. So we is the first person and it is not singular, it is also a plural, and repairs, this verb goes with third person singular number. So it is also not used. Then has repaired. Has is the helping verb. It is also used after the singular noun. So have repaired. Have repaired, have, the verb have goes with the plural noun. So we dash the roof, the thing is already done. Then what will be the right answer? Absolutely correct. All of you have done. Option D, we have repaired the roof. Means, and the reason is past action with present relevance. Okay, the action which is done in the past, but in the present situation we can see the roof has been done. Okay, so has been repaired. That means the present relevance is shown. So in this case also present perfect tense is used. Now let's move on to question number 4. Raja dashed the letter just now. The verb given in the bracket is post. Option A, post. Option B, posts. Option C, has posted. Option D, have posted. Similarly, as we have discussed before in question number 2 and 3, the verb which are given, that should be agree with the noun. And here the subject is Raja. And Raja refers to third person singular number. And posting of the letter is not a regular thing. Is it a habitual situation? Is it refers to any regular situation? Or any scientific situation? Or any universal truth? Like, okay, so analyzing all those things, you just have to answer quickly in the comment box. Yes, all of you have so quickly answer. I'm so happy. Yes. So the right answer is has posted. So Raja has posted the letter just now. So just now means immediately in the recent past the action is done, though complete. So the reason is completed activities in the immediate past. Okay, just posted before. So to represent all these things, to represent this type of past time, we can also use present perfect tense. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 5. My daughter dashed all the apples. The verb given in the bracket is eat. Option A, eats. Option B, has eaten. Option C, have eaten. Option D, is eating. So which is the right answer? Quickly write down the answer in the comment box. Don't chat with each other. Okay. So these are important things, exam oriented questions. Okay. So if you learn these things thoroughly with the reason, then it will be very much helpful to all of you in the coming examinations. Okay. So don't waste your time with chatting with each other. Just you should have to answer. So quickly answer the questions, quickly write down. Yes, yes, yes. All of you have written the right answer, as it is very much difficult for me to catch on any one especially. All of you are genius, all of you are the winners. Okay. So the right answer is yes, correct option B. My daughter has eaten all the apples. Okay, so that means past sections which are continued in the present time. Okay, so the eating of apple is, I mean, this work has done and emptiness is there, so we can see. So this to, I mean, to express this kind of past situation, we can also use the present perfect tense. Okay. So students, today is this much. Okay. So in our last class, I have given you some assignments. I hope all of you have done correctly. So we will meet in our next class with a new concept, with some new questions. So today's quiz class is over. All of you have participated so well, and I hope all of you have got the idea about today's topic, which was on present perfect tense. So I hope all of you have understood the theme. So now let me tell you, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during the COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, we will meet in our next class with a new concept, with some new questions. Okay, so till then, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.